Hi everyone, my name is Ruth Gonzales. Today I'm going to present you my research. So my topic today is experiences of grade 11 students in GCC with online class. Introduction. As the nations keep on standing to various issues achieved by the COVID illness 2019 pandemic, the Department of Education is tending to the difficulties in fundamental training for the school year 2020-2021 through its Basic Education Learning Community Plan under DepEd Order No. 012 S 2020. So as we all know, no, COVID pandemic has a big impact to us, especially as in students. Uh, that's why the DepEd is making this online learning or modular. This study aims to determine the experiences of students with online classes. Theoretical framework. The research paradigm used in this study is an action research, which is generally common to qualitative research paradigm. It includes documentary collection and analysis, participant observation using the online survey. The finding of the study will serve as future work in conducting a structured interview or to further improve the discussion in the study. So, the statement of the problem. This study aims to determine the experiences of students with online class. Especially, this study will seek to answer the following question. What are the experiences the students encounter on online class? What are the opinions of students regarding about online class? What is or are the possible solutions in coping up with online class? Research and discussions. So as throughout my survey now, through via messenger or face to face, these are the results answered by my respondents. Number one is grade 11 young students is having a hard time during the distance education. Some students feel uncomfortable because this is new to them and they needed some adjustment. They become stressful because students don't know what to do. And then sometimes burnout happen. And a lot of problems they encountered on Google Meet like they couldn't connect or the web page is not available. Second is most students' opinion regarding about online class is that students didn't study most of them because most of them do research for their answer. So as we all know, since the online learning online learning since in the beginning, no, students actually for me in my own experience, I do actually research for my answers in Google. So last is this possible solution is to have the strong internet connection and time management is a must. Especially today in a stressful week, you must manage your time because you you will not know or you can you can't do anything na because you are busy with other subject and you cannot and sometimes you are stressed. So interpretation of data. In my discovery, I learn and know things a lot about experiences and help me with my studies. The experiences they tell me have a great impact to finish my studies, especially students have different opinions about how the new learning system affect them. And for me, I gain a lot of different types of experiences they've been through. So throughout in my discovery and giving the questionnaires to my respondents is for making the interview, they gave me a lot, no, especially we are new to this online learning, and because we are anad sa face to face, and this is new to us. So in my research, I do what the things they experiences on online, what are the things they struggle about, the experiences. Yes. So in conclusion, the overall problem of grade 11 students is having unstable network. So overall, the in their experiences on online learning is having an unstable network. That's why some students couldn't connect or cannot join the online class because of their network. Second is they're having hard adjusting to this new normal learning. So recommendation. Teachers in online class, teachers are well explained in their discussion, but one thing that teachers should notice or they probably have that when students ask questions in off class, they should reply and know that they are busy but must find a way to reply to the given question asked by the student. So in students, online class has been difficult for us students, but you take the advantage to use internet connection. We could search whatever we want and sometimes it's easier for us students to answer questions because of the internet, but we use it in a proper time. Parents. Parents should look out for your children asking them about online classes because sometimes they aren't attending in their online classes and sometimes they are stressed because of the requirements given by the teachers. So lastly, this is my documentation by my respondents. This is face-to-face interview respondents number 1 on May 10. The second is through via messenger, voicemail, and so on. So that's the end of my discussion. Thank you for listening. Naka-record?